Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. Vaishipon here. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can take affiliate links from impactradius for envato affiliate marketing. If you are doing affiliate marketing from envato for make money, you have to know this procedure. I will show you how you can make affiliate link from impactradius and how you can get banners, banner code, everything I will show you in this tutorial. Even I will show you how you can set your banners affiliate link for envato in your website. I will show you full procedure. Okay, let's start. First time we will see this area, create a link. Promote any brand with a simple link. You can make any brand affiliate link from this section. I am showing you. You have to search a product from envato marketplace. Suppose you can do promote anything from here. Suppose I want to do marketing for theme. If I go to theme forest, and you can do promote any products from here. Suppose I want to promote this product. If I open this one, e-commerce template, suppose I want to do promote this link, but this is not my affiliate link. If I copy this link and if I go to impactradius, I have to paste the link here, and if I click on create, and this is my affiliate link for this page. Nice. Okay, just I have to copy this link. If I click here, it's copied. Now if I open this link, and this one is my affiliate link. Now if I promote this link with any social media accounts, with my website and with paid marketing, if someone click on this link, he or she will come here with my affiliate link, and if the customer purchase any product from here or purchase any other product, I will get commission. Now I think you clear how you will make affiliate links for envato affiliate marketing. Okay, now let me show you how you can take banner ad code or banner ad link. From home area you will get this interface, and here is lot of banner. You can promote any banner. Suppose you want to promote this one. If I click here get code, you can add this code to your website, HTML code or iframe code which is suitable for you. You can copy the code from here, copy to clipboard, and if you want to promote tracking link, you can promote this link. Even you can search from here with keywords. Suppose I am searching for theme. If I search theme, THEME, search, all are theme related affiliate link, affiliate banner. You can promote from here, and you can choose type from here, add type banner, rich media, videos, email, sponsored listing, text link, long sponsored listing, coupon, content, print, television, radio, data post, everything you can search from here. But we are searching from banner for this tutorial. Okay, that's why here is banner selected. Suppose I want to promote this type of banner because I want to set here on this area. Suppose I want to add this one. If I click here get code, and this is the banner code. Now I am showing you how you will add to your website. Okay, I have logged into my website admin area, WordPress admin area. Now I have to go to header option because I want to set it on header. Let me show you. This is header area. Okay, I have to go to header area from admin panel. I am going to template, theme builder, my header. This is my header template. For normal website you have to paste this code to your header area. Okay, I am clicking on edit button, edit with Elementor. Okay, this is my header area. Here is my logo, and this is my phone number, and I have to make a space here for paste code. I am making a duplicate area for this one, for this column, edit, duplicate, and here is another one. I am deleting this text because I will set here a element code. Okay, I am dragging this area and making a space for my code or banner. Okay, now I have to put here a element, code element. If I go here, suppose I can set here HTML or code, anything I can set here. CODE, code, short code. I can set here short code or HTML. Suppose I am setting here a HTML element. Now I have to copy this code, copy to clipboard, and if I paste here, and nicely done. Let me search for some another banner. Suppose if I get this code, copy, Control A, delete and paste. Best selling WordPress themes. Now I think this one is fine, better than from first one. Okay, let me show you with code option, code element. I am deleting this one, and if I search here code, this one, now I have to copy this one, copy to clipboard, banner code, and if I paste here short code. Now if I do apply, and if I do update from here, and if I refresh my site, now if a targeted audience click here and go to theme forest with my affiliate link, and if he or she purchase product from here and purchase another product, I will get a commission for affiliate commission. And in this way you can set any other area of your website for envato affiliate marketing. And with this targeting link you can do marketing anywhere, any social media accounts. I am showing you with Facebook. Suppose if I go to my Facebook profile, vaishipon, and I am doing a post here, post this link, copy, and if I paste here, see, now if I post this link, it will go this way. Targeted audience see this post with this way. Now I think you clear how you can make affiliate link from impactradius for your envato affiliate marketing, and how you can get banner code from impactradius for your envato affiliate marketing, and how you can set this code to your website for envato affiliate marketing. And with this procedure you can make money doing affiliate marketing from envato marketplace. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.